Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how we can delete our Facebook account permanently and not just deactivate it. So to get started, start by launching the Facebook application and make sure you're signed into your respective account. Tap on the three lines menu icon from the top left of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy and select the option called Settings. Once done, tap on the option called Account Center from the very top. Scroll down and tap on the option called Manage Accounts. From the Manage Account tab, next to a Facebook account that you want to permanently delete, tap the little Manage option again. And from here, select Deactivation or Deletion. Then select the option called Delete Account because deactivation is going to get selected by default. Then scroll down and just tap on the Continue button. Finally, select a reason as to why you want to delete your account and scroll down and tap on Continue. Now Facebook will try as much as they can to let you not delete your account, but you just have to ignore all of this, then select Continue with Deletion. Then once done, again the same old thing, tap on the Continue button again, and lastly now you simply have to enter your password, and once the password you enter is correct, you can tap on the Continue button from the bottom and your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. You'll have about 30 days to change your mind in case you want to restore your account. Until then, it is only going to remain deactivated. But after those 30 days period, even Facebook themselves won't be able to help you recover it because it will be permanently gone from all of its data. So this way you can delete your Facebook account permanently. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.